Today marks the dawn of a new era for road tripping with the arrival of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. Inspired by Toyota's legendary commitment to reliability, innovation, and comfort, this new model redefines what it means to travel with freedom. It starts with the design. The exterior is sleek and modern, with aerodynamic contours that cut through wind efficiently, reducing drag and improving fuel economy. Subtle lines flow from front to rear, and an LED headlight array gives it a distinctive, clean look in darkness. Step inside, and you're greeted by cabin craftsmanship that merges practicality with plushness. Premium fabrics and thoughtfully placed ambient LED lighting create warmth, while harder-wearing surfaces ensure resilience in the wild. Storage is surprisingly innovative. Spaces have been meticulously carved out to hide gear under floor compartments, overhead bins, and a clever slide-out pantry system that ensures camping essentials are within arm's reach. Flexibility is a hallmark. Seats convert into beds, and dining surfaces fold away neatly. In the heart of the motorhome lies the kitchen. Equipped with a compact refrigerator, induction cooktop, deep sink, and roller-out pantry, it's perfect for meals on the road. Options include modular drawer systems and optional solar-recharged water heating, making cooking both convenient and eco-friendly. Across from the kitchen, a lounge area with modular pieces adapts to sleeping or lounging. Plush cushions, noisy dampening walls, and a privacy curtain transform the space into a cozy sanctuary. The bathroom is equally well thought out. A compact waiter bath includes a retractable shower head, folder-down sink, and concealed toilet to optimize for space without sacrificing functionality. Tech isn't overlooked. A central control panel lets you monitor battery levels, water reserves, interior climate, and solar intake all at a glance. Optional off-grid power includes rooftop solar panels and battery storage, enabling remote stays without compromising comfort. Connectivity mirrors modern needs. Multiple USB-C and AC outlets throughout, Wi-Fi hotspot integration, and an optional smart display for maps, camera feeds, and entertainment ensure full digital support on the go. Under the hood, Toyota's hybrid or efficient diesel powertrain balances performance and economy. Torquey enough to handle mountain roads, it avoids the thirst of traditional RV engines so critical for extended travel. A feature like regenerative braking further extends range on downhill stretches. Safety leads the way, with advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, linear keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features support confident, stress-free driving even on remote roads. Effortless daily life is key. Softer closed doors, LED lighting, washable flooring, and a retractable awning combine convenience with durability. Little touches like integrated cup holders, LED step lighting, and slide-out bins make life on the move feel seamless. This motorhome is about adaptability. Floor plans range from compact two-seat models for solo adventurers to longer layouts with sleeping for four, all customizable to fit various needs. Add-on packages include off-road upgrades, raised suspension, all-terrain tires, reinforced underfloor panels are perfect for backcountry exploration. Toyota's warranty and service network offer peace of mind. The ability to service this motorhome at Toyota dealerships across many regions means your next adventure doesn't have to include DIY repairs or long delays. Imagine taking this on a cross-country trek, zooming up mountain passes, cooking fresh meals on the fly, sleeping cozy under the stars, and knowing that whether you're near a city or hundreds of miles away, backup is available. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome bursts onto the scene not simply as an RV, but as a mobile extension of home. Smart, rugged, refined, and ready, whether you're doing a weekend escape or a months-long expedition. It's more than a van with a bid, it's an experience carved into four-wheeled comfort. If you're craving freedom without sacrifice, space without bulk, and adventure without compromise, the new 2026 Toyota Motorhome delivers.